Me again with my new Carhartt shirt, which, thinking of it now, I probably should have wore the shirt because I don't want to get all dirty. Lucky I'm only doing tool reviews and shit tonight, and maybe a little bit of dirty work. This is going to be my Monday weekly What's New. This is going to be a really short one because there's absolutely zero new, nothing, never. I haven't had time to do any work in this week. I did go to VA hospital. That's got some new spectacles on the way, thanks to the Veterans Administration. Before I forget, anybody who's been to service, thank you for your service. What else? On the way there, I went to Alberg, Vermont. Maybe I should throw some footage in there of the antique place. So if I actually remember to watch this video, I'll throw some Alberg, what is it? Alberg Antique Barn, Alberg, Vermont. I'll try to remember to put it in here. Anyway, roll the footage. If I remember. So anyway, if I remember to put some footage, that was footage. If not, well, you ain't gonna see it. Also, picked up a few things there. Drove back there and back, went to my appointment. They were supposed to dilate my eyes, but I have an appointment in like April or something. So every year, eyes dilated from is it ophthalmologist, and you're like wigging out because it's super bright because they dilated. I had it once. It was terrible. It was bad. They gave you these little, like, weird little sunglasses. So, anyway, if they did, I luckily I had sunglasses in my car. With that, the garage is still in a holding pattern. I don't know when the hell we're moving this thing, but I'm pretty much next week is, I've got about 2 or 3 weeks more of camping left. So, weekends, weeknights, I should have more time because I don't have to get up at 7 in the morning. So, Friday nights, I'll probably stay up late. I'll have my worker work in my store for a couple months, so I can just stay in here late. If I don't move in there anytime before October, I'm going to start tearing out this bike even more. Just going to keep tearing at it. So I'm going to work on it next week. After this video, I'm going to try to paint some of that sandblasting box. I don't care how the paint job comes out. I just need to finish painting it. So I'm thinking of just painting it right in place. If I get paint splatter all over the place, I don't care. I'm going to paint one side, leave it, flip it around next night, paint the other side, paint the top, whatever I can. I'll do it tonight. But other than that, there's no real progress anywhere. I have a pile of, like, shit's piling up in here. I have a lot of things I want to work on. I had a whole garage to move, and it's just, so I'm just going to, since I'm waiting for something I thought was going to happen sooner or later, I'm just going to keep working on stuff, and, well, I'll figure it out when it gets done. So this week I'll start rearranging stuff and get things on the ball so you can have some interesting videos, so I could do something interesting instead of worrying about, oh, start this and then have to haul it over there and move it. So now I'm doing stuff. I don't know when it's going to happen. So if you watch this video, hopefully you stay tuned. I have some interesting videos I'm going to be coming up with. I still have, like I said, I have bike videos. I still have to put the sandblaster together. I'm thinking, since I still have time, I'm probably going to put the little things on the bottom and maybe put it on wheels so I can just wheel it over there. I got to remember to, I know I have casters here somewhere, or I might have an old chair I can steal some off of. I'm going to put some wheels on it so I can wheel it. Sandblaster, motorcycle, and probably a whole new garage. So stay tuned. I have 1,267 lovely subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you get a chance, watch the whole video, click whatever. If you don't like my channel, don't subscribe. If you like it, subscribe. If you really want to help out, subscribe anyway. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and I'll end it here and make this short. So thanks.